Hi guys, this is Michael. I've been using the Boat Rockers 450 headphones and they're the perfect blend of functionality and style. The Boat Rockers 450 offers 15 hours of immersive listening and with its pumping 40 dynamic drivers. The 300 mAh battery lasts super long for around 15 hours and the ergonomical design cushions keep you comfortable as you listen. The integrated controls offer easy and convenient use and you can toggle tracks and adjust volume very simply. The premium matte finish is very stylish and the headphones easily connect to all Bluetooth devices and the aux connectivity is also great. This Beats Boat Rockers 450 headphones is really stylish, but you can also get it in red, blue, purple, black and aqua blue, amongst other lovely patterns, colors and designs.
Hi, my name is Aditya, and in this video we're going to talk about the top features of the Boat Rockers 450 on-ear headphones. These headphones support Bluetooth 4.0 connectivity and give you support for voice assistant like Google Assistant and Siri from your smartphone as well. In addition to this, not only are these wireless headphones, you can also pair them using 3.5mm audio cable and connect it to your headphone jack on the phone. So let's look at the top features of these headphones. As you can see, the Boat Rockers 450 on-ear headphones fit in like this, and they have the soft cushions over here, and the adaptable sizing means that it fits into any head size. So that's quite comfortable, and the headband also has this soft cushion which makes it quite comfortable to wear for long hours, and even the soft cushions make sure that you can listen to music without feeling any kind of uneasiness or discomfort. Apart from this, in terms of wireless connectivity, it supports Bluetooth 4.2 standard, and you also have the 3.5mm audio jack at the bottom which connects through 3.5mm audio cable and the 3.5mm headphone jack on your smartphone. So for wired mode, what you can actually do is, so let's say if you're running out of battery on this, you can switch to the wired mode and you can still use it without worrying about losing out on battery life. Apart from this, the 4.2 Bluetooth connectivity means you can use the headphones up to a range of 10 meters. So let's say if your phone is within a range up to 10 meters, the audio connectivity will be stable and you'll get decent audio quality from them. Speaking of which, it has 40mm drivers built into the headphones, and which supports quality audio, crisp audio, clear quality, and then you have loud bass as well, which is quite an ideal scenario for buyers in India. Apart from that, you have standby battery support up to 15 hours, and on a single charge you get battery life up to 8 hours. We've already talked about its support for voice assistants like Google Assistant and Siri, so you can use it through Android or iOS phone, and you have the power button which you have to press it for a bit more than few seconds and you will hear the audio message on the headphones, and you can pair it through your phone's voice assistant and use voice commands to do a lot of things hands-free. In addition to taking voice calls from your phone, you can also do a lot of voice commands like checking out weather and what's the traffic like in your area. So that's what the voice assistants from the phone's capabilities are used for through these headphones. We've already talked about the battery life and Bluetooth connectivity and what it supports in terms of fit and comfort and its build quality, and the overall physical controls on the headphones are you have the volume rocker button, and then you have this power and play and pause button. So basically you just have to press it to get started, and let's say if you want to pause the music, you can do that using the buttons as well. Then you have the micro USB 2.0 port for charging and the cable is bundled inside the box, so you can plug it into a power adapter or a power bank and to charge it quickly. So within 2 hours up to 4 hours, 2 to 4 hours of charging time, you get battery life up to 4 to 5 hours, which is quite decent, and the overall dimensions and the weight of the headphone make sure that it's quite comfortable to wear and you will not feel any kind of discomfort. So these are the Boat Rockers 450 headphones. They come with adjustable strap and headband, and the cushions are quite soft, which makes sure that you don't feel any kind of discomfort. It supports Bluetooth 4.0 for wireless connectivity, and it has a 3.5mm jack for wired connectivity through your smartphone. And more importantly, you can also use voice assistants like Google Assistant and Siri through your smartphone on these headphones. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us for more.
Are you looking for a decent pair of wireless headphones? Well, the Boat Rockers 450 might be the product for you. Hey everyone, this is Dhruv Mohan from Tech Insider India, and today I'm doing a quick unboxing of this very product. Now these headphones come with 40mm drivers, so you can expect some loud and clear audio output. As for battery life, you can expect up to 15 hours of music playback time from the Boat Rockers 450. With an inbuilt microphone, you can not only answer phone calls with these headphones but can also access voice assistants. Let's start unboxing it now. Alright, so now all the contents inside the box are right in front of us, so let's go through them one by one. First and foremost, let's get rid of the paperwork. Now, there are some warranty guidelines and a user case manual for you, and I do suggest that you go through it at least once. You get a card inside the box that reads you get 1 year manufacturer warranty with these headphones. And finally, a sticker that reads I am a Boathead. Talking about the wires, you get 2 of them on the Boat Rockers 450. Firstly, there is an aux cable that can be attached to these headphones because in case you run out of battery, you can simply wire them up. Secondly, you get a USB charging cable. This is a normal USB charging cable that you get inside the box, and you can simply use it to charge them up. Alright, now bringing our focus to the Boat Rockers 450. First and foremost, there are multifunctional buttons on the headphones. There are volume rockers that can also be used to forward or rewind your music. There's a play and pause button as well. This can also be used to answer your phone calls. There are controls mounted on the headphones that can not only be used to switch your volume levels but can also be used to scout through your media. Now here is the USB charging port and the 3.5mm headphone jack. Now this is perhaps a really ergonomic headphone because first of all it's really lightweight. The headband is also cushioned. The ear cuffs and the padding is on the softer side, and it has a swivel design so it can be folded flat up and it won't take a lot of space when you're packing them up. Let me quickly show you how they look once you put them on. Now this is how the Boat Rockers 450 are going to look once you put them on. So guys, that was the unboxing for the Boat Rockers 450 wireless headphones. I hope you found this video helpful.